Yo, 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 it's Jay Smalls, the one and only rockstar farmer, here with the Seekret Garden Family Farm, LLC, located here in Walterboro, South Carolina. Yo, this video today is about what I feed these massive hogs. You know, on a small farm, you done seen videos with bread, you done seen videos with tasty cakes and everything from that factory and stuff. However, they can't just eat bread. They can't just eat bread every day. So I wanted to show you guys basically the regimen of food that I feed them. So if you can see right here, I got stuff for chickens and dogs. However, these bags right here is two different kinds of feed that I call it it's like the pigs love it, man. They love it. It's the 15% hog feed as well as soybean meal. So when you mix that together, the 15% is 15% protein, but soybean meal is like 40% protein. So when you add that 40% plus the 15%, you got 15% protein that when you feed your pigs this combination that's right here, when you feed your pigs that combination, they are guaranteed to gain their weight. Because like just feeding them 15%, it does it. That gets you your pig from born to 250 pounds in about 8 months, depending on what kind of pigs you got. 2 months they drinking on milk. The 6 months you feed them this good feed that I'm gonna show y'all how to make, and you got you a nice sized hog to put either to sell or in your own refrigerator to feed your family. Here at the Seekret Garden Family Farm, we specialize in showing you how, right here, the sunlight, it fertilizes everything. It makes the pigs eat good, it gives them good food, it makes me the person who I am to be able to be right here. So we're going to get right into it. This 15% and the soybean meal, what I do is I mix it together. And like that mix is like, they love it. And I'll show y'all how they love it. So give me a second here. I'm gonna start. I'm gonna take all this out, put it together, and y'all can see how to mix it. You know how I do it. Seekret Garden Family Farm LLC style. Alright, y'all. So what I did was for these pigs out here today, I got 7 bags. 15% hog feed, and I got 5 bags of the soybean meal. What I'm gonna do is I use my handy dandy machete like this, cut it open, and this right here, that's how the 15% hog feed looks. So even if you just fed your pig this is better than feeding them corn. Like if you feed your pigs this right here, you're going to actually get the weight that you want. You don't have to do my secret method, but like if you want your pigs to actually eat good and feed a bunch of people in like a reasonable amount of time, you get this 15% and this soybean meal. So the soybean meal, you can tell how different it looks. It's like a little bit browner. It looks like brown sugar. It reminds me of brown sugar. However, this one is 40% protein. So feeding your pigs good protein is what is actually going to get them to that weight that you want them to have. So what I usually do is I put this, personally, I use these like 50-gallon drums. So in order for me to make up their feed, I get some 15%. I pour it in this drum. Like right now, I'm gonna use this whole 50-pound bag. So that's 50 pounds of feed with another 50 pounds. Sometimes I do half and half. Sometimes I do the whole thing. However, I put 1 in 1 or 1 and a half of 1 to make it split up, but then I get my shovel and I mix it up. So just like that. So that first round, they got 1 in 1. That's 55% protein that you feed your pigs. Pigs love to eat, feed them good, and they're gonna feed you good. So that's right there is like how an even mix looks. So what I'm gonna do is continue along with it. Like I got my machete. It comes in handy. This machete right here been with me for about 5 years. We've been cutting down everything, but like I learned how to just open up bags. So open up these bags, cut one. I'm gonna show y'all real quick, look. I got Roxy too, she's sitting right here. Since I already done made up 1 batch of feed, I'll get Roxy 2 first. Roxy 2 pregnant, she about to have babies. It's her little farrowing situation. So she gonna have her babies. I done moved the boy that was in here. I moved him out and put him with some other females so that he can get them pregnant and we can have some more babies. But that's how that 15% with the soybean meal, and yo, they love it. That's how they just keep going. They gonna keep eating it. So Roxy 2, I think Roxy 2 is about 8 months old. Roxy 2 ain't even a year old yet, but she pregnant. She about to have her babies. And even though I usually harvest them about this time and this size, I'm gonna keep Roxy 2 for a second round. I like her. Me and her have a connection. So Roxy 2 is gonna be giving birth a second time in the Seekret Garden Family Farm LLC, located here in Walterboro, South Carolina. And what we're gonna do is just keep feeding them, and I'm gonna show y'all how, this 15% plus this 40% soybean meal, man, you're gonna have some nice sized hogs before you even know it. They love it. They love this feed right here. They can't get enough of it. Alright y'all, so we took them 7 bags of the 15% hog feed, the 5 bags of the soybean meal, and this is what you got. You got about 2 weeks worth of food for about 30 pigs. You know what I mean? So, well, some of the pigs is small, so you know what I mean, they ain't even eating food, they gonna eat a little bit. But the bigger pigs, this here lasts about 2 weeks. And so my combination is the 15% hog feed with the soybean meal. You got 55% protein, and that's the combination that's gonna get your pigs to that desired weight at any point in time, like within 8 months. 2 months of them drinking milk, 6 months of them eating this right here, this combo, you're gonna have you at 250 pound, 300 pound hog. And I'm James Smalls, the one and only rockstar farmer. Not only do I feed the pigs this, I feed the pigs to people. So, whenever y'all ready to eat some fresh pork, let me know, because like what I do is you could buy half a hog, whole hog. We break it down into everything. We open up our own meat market. You know what I mean? The drive-through Seekret Garden Family Farm LLC meat market. However, what you see right here is going to be on everybody's table this year and more. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, comment, and if you need anything, just let me know. I'm James Smalls, the one and only rockstar farmer, Seekret Garden Family Farm LLC, located here in Walterboro. You know, we got Mystical right there. You know what I mean? Mystical be doing his thing, just like James. So y'all keep it easy. I'm signing out.
Here, every time I get bread like this, I make it like you don't. Round and round.